Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion navigation bar. This is a fantastic way to organize your workspace and give yourself quick access to all your most important pages without constantly searching through your sidebar. Let's get started. First, head over to your Notion workspace and open the page where you want to add the navigation bar. This could be your main dashboard or any page you frequently visit. Once you're there, click on plus new page in the sidebar. This will create a fresh page where you can build your navigation system. Name it something like navigation bar so you can easily identify it later. Now in this new page, type /link to page and select the link to page block from the options that appear. This block is what allows you to create clickable shortcuts to other pages in your workspace. Next, click on select a page and choose the first page you want to include in your navigation bar. This might be your projects page, a client database, or whatever you access most often to build out your full navigation bar. Simply repeat this process. Type /link to page again, select the block, and choose another page you want to link. Keep doing this until you've added all the important pages you need quick access to. The beauty of this setup is that you can customize it entirely based on your workflow. Once you've added all your links, you can arrange them in whatever order makes sense to you. Just click and drag each link to move it up or down vertically. This lets you prioritize the pages you use most frequently at the top. For a cleaner look, select the empty space below your last link, then type /divider and press enter. This adds a visual separator that helps organize your navigation bar and makes it easier on the eyes. Here's a bonus tip. Open each of the pages you've linked, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, and choose Add to Favorites. This creates an additional layer of quick navigation, allowing you to access these pages from anywhere in your workspace through the Favorites section. Finally, save your work and test your navigation bar by clicking each link to make sure they open the correct pages. This quick check ensures everything is functioning smoothly before you start relying on it daily. And that's it. You now have a functional navigation bar that streamlines your Notion experience and keeps your most important pages just one click away. Thanks for watching.